In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps required to cancel your paid Netlify subscription and move your account back to the free tier. Managing your web hosting costs is an important part of any project workflow, and Netlify makes it relatively straightforward to adjust your billing options. To get started, you first need to log into your account and select the specific team you wish to modify. Once you are on your team dashboard, look at the primary navigation menu at the top. You will need to click on the option labeled Usage and Billing. This section is where all your financial data and plan details are stored. After the page loads, look at the submenu tabs across the top of the interface and ensure that you are currently on the Plan Details tab. This area displays your current active subscription and shows you exactly what features you are paying for. Locate the section that mentions your current plan and look for a button labeled Change Team Plan. This button is typically positioned right next to your active subscription status. When you click it, a new window or overlay will appear showing you the different service levels available for your team. From these options, you should select the free tier. Netlify might ask you to confirm your choice or provide feedback on why you are downgrading. Carefully follow the prompts to confirm the change. Once finished, your account will be transitioned to the free plan at the end of your current billing cycle. That is all there is to it. Thank you for watching this guide.